Shock and panic when you have a chance to score? Never. Here are some simple but very important tips and tricks that can help you play smarter and more effectively. When you want to win the ball, don't stand behind an opponent. Position yourself in the freest space where the opponents are furthest away. This will make it easier for your teammate to pass to you, and you will have more time for your next move. When you find yourself in a goal chance, don't let shock and panic overcome you. At that moment, you are the master of the situation. Make a conscious decision when, where, and how you will shoot. Calmness very often makes the difference between a miss and a goal. A tip for shooting. Shots to the very corner look attractive, but if the goalkeeper reaches them, he usually saves them in a corner or to the side. A strong shot low in the middle of the goal can be much more difficult to safely intervene. That is why good attackers always follow the rebounded ball and are ready to immediately send it into the net. Never stop moving. Move even when you don't have the ball, because that's how you create new attacking opportunities. And when you have the ball, move even more decisively and quickly to maintain the advantage. And finally, remember another important rule. The player who passed the ball to you is often the least guarded. The defense is usually focused on the other attackers. Therefore, if the situation allows it, return the ball to the same teammate. Such a combination often creates a great goal opportunity.